Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network, how you doing today? Another addition to our matchbook holder ashtray collection for you cigar aficionados out there. So once again, this is the vintage Matchbox holder that's also an ashtray runner that has been chrome plated. So a lot of you cigarette guys out there, or cigar guys, cigar shops that are following us, this might be something for you.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.